What's going on, guys? We're back in the barn today because I've got a LED. Actually, they're not LED, they're halogen. But the angel eyes on the BMW, this left side is out. Gave me a warning inside. I ordered a bulb. I think, based off of a YouTube video, it's not too hard to replace. So I'm just going to walk it through it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. But yeah. Based on the video I watched, let me get a light. And just a warm because I just got home from school. Let's see. There. That's the light dim. Okay. That cap right there. This is an LED light, so it's going to appear flashing on camera. That cap right there is where you can get access to the LED. It's not LED, the angel eye. And same on this side. You can see right here. So it's really not all that bad. I'm going to put this down. Maybe. Oh. That's why I need a cameraman in life. I don't know if you can actually see this, but it's actually... Which way is correct? Open is this way. So in the video, you turn it slightly. There it goes. Could probably do this without gloves on. Okay, cap off. Give you a peek. Hey, there it is. That is the bulb right there. So, next thing to do is to pull that bulb out, which we'll see how hard that is. Put this back down. Okay, I forgot. You give it a quarter turn. So that's all it takes. Just turn it, it pops out. And then, I don't know if you can see, but there's these little clips. They're gray towards the end of it. You need a little screwdriver to pop that off, and then you can unplug it, and then put in your new bulb. So that is what I'm going to do after this. Alright, there you can see bulb is off. And let's inspect it. Definitely see that is burnt up. It shows sign of age. So, let's just check to make sure that these look similar. Which they do. They look identical. Alright, let's put this one in. So, same steps. I'm gonna do this off camera because you need two hands. Okay, so it is installed. I believe it is locked down correctly. You just, turn it the opposite way in which you unlocked it, and now it's locked. Duh. I just want to give you a quick, how I did this, because you can't really get two hands in there. I mean, you kind of can, but it's difficult. So basically, think of this red cap as the plug. That the bulb. I'm going to take you back to the bulb. So basically, cap, and then that's, where the bulb comes in. Essentially, that's how I held it. So I held it, the wire, like this, and then I used my other hand, and I held, in same hand, and then I just kind of lined it up, and once I got it pretty much good, and then I, snugged on it, and it clicked in, and it was perfectly fine. So that's kind of how I recommend holding that wire in there with this hand, and then also holding the bulb in this hand, and it kind of, you know, a little bit of wiggling, a little bit of finesse, and you'll get it. It's not too bad. So now, matter of truth. Let me get the key. After I do this, I need to clean up my footwells because they are dirty. I don't know if it'll lock with the hood. Ta-da! They're both working. She's fixed. Yay! Let's see. Does this one look brighter? Let me stand back. It's hard to tell if one looks brighter than the other. They're pretty similar. I definitely want to do the LED conversion because, you know, this is kind of a yellowish color and I want to do a white to match the light bulb itself. But yeah, that's neat. I'm glad that's fixed. That should get rid of that warning light inside the vehicle. And that was pretty simple and pretty easy. I'm glad BMW designed this cap in that hole to get at it. That's awesome. So now I just put the cap back in. Oops. All right, I hope that helped, you know, anyone out there who clicked on this video. Hopefully that helped you guys replace that angel eye. Totally exact same process on the other side. This is the diesel, but I'm pretty sure it's the same on any of the E70 chassis X5s. So hopefully that helped. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.